While a large portion of the digital currencies zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for computerized publicizing or video organizing. That is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to dissect the ongoing subtleties of Theta and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary standards have attacked the much sought-after digital money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his devoted company of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto token upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that controls Theta's decentralized video conveyance organization, fueled by clients and an imaginative new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to drive the decentralized streaming organization and takes into account vertical decentralized applications, dApps, to be based on top of the stage to empower experts, music, television, motion pictures, instruction, venture conferencing, distributed streaming, and the sky is the limit from there. To lay it out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm enthusiastic and happy to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time. Since innovation has begun being the prevailing element in the decentralized distributed network, Theta will tackle its vast majority. With the dramatic development in the advanced publicizing area, it is immensely pivotal that there is a harmony accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and clients. With the majority turning out to be increasingly more knowledgeable with long-range informal communication and video devices related with it, there is a thriving interest for promotion, hindering programming that sudden spikes in demand for in excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs. With truckload of cash and time spent on watchers' very own information, it has turned into a mammoth errand to synchronize the whole system's administration usefulness and prune the pointless. The accompanying variables still need to be examined on a worldview premise. Promoters pay tokens to distributors to carry their promotions to clients. Clients procure Theta for review promotions. Consideration is checked in the Fearless program utilizing ML/AI innovation. Individual information generally stays on gadgets and isn't utilized for individual addition. Sponsors get great returns because of expanded degrees of precision. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with minor cost changes. In 2018, it had recently begun its excursion with a cost of around $0.2, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta cost expectation genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, changing the pattern from the outset to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a notable excursion all through. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. In view of 1 year of verifiable information, Theta cost cruised well over the course of the past year, and presently it is on a vertical flood. In light of our gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost anticipation for 2024 is $0.07044. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be depreciated. In this way, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk 1-year speculation choice. Theta sounds profoundly bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By 2023 end, the cost ought to effortlessly swing around $1.69372. Theta cost could reach $2.762 in 2023. And by 2025, going up to $7.475. At the hour of compassing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is $1.09, and information shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume has been $34,581,343, with a market cap of $1,094,595,488 and a flowing stockpile of 1 billion Theta. The cost figure thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Theta Value Forecast 2023. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer value patterns of the crypto estimate, almost certainly, the finish of 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Theta coin for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous instability. In any case, toward the finish of 2023, Theta will reach $2.3, according to our drawn-out digital money conjecture, Theta Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Theta will run the crypto coin realm, with an exhibition cost fixed at $4.2, which shows Theta has maximum capacity going by the example not exclusively to maintain, yet could reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. Theta Value Forecast 2025. This year could check the benchmark year, as the cost of the Theta coin is anticipated to outperform a normal of $4 definitely. This year, no critical variables like pandemics or downturns are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies. It is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fix work in every world economy and the crypto market. Theta Value Forecast 2026. It isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with costs of $1, finished with an increase of $5.5, and presently exchanging around $1.08. Subsequently, it has radically helped the market opinion peculiarity to trade. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Theta, following this token intently for a venture. Theta Value Expectation 2027. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. With a touch of persistence and keeping their expectations high on the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. By when Theta will be not any more a credulous contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. The coin may effortlessly reach $6.84 toward the finish of 2027. Theta Value Expectation 2028. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Theta is ready for a rise sign even in the following year. Following the moving example against United States dollars, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of an even triangle, the Theta coin could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines, contacting $7.95. Theta Value Expectation 2029. In light of a coherent calculation, Theta has momentary meetings and expected long-haul benefits. The Theta cost might arrive at the objective of $8.90 toward the finish of 2029. Financial backers might procure incredible benefits assuming they contribute with impeccable timing. Theta Value Expectation 2030. In 2030, the Theta coin is supposed to exchange somewhere in the range of $10.50 and $11.50, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost is supposed to be around $11 in view of our Theta organization cost forecast. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will lead the computerized realm. Thus for of installment, it would have a long role. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of investment is consistently fitting, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you trade nicely, facing a calculative challenge. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and debates, Theta uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic environment.